Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and confidently resize images in Figma. Whether you're a beginner just getting into UI design or someone looking to tidy up their workflow, this tutorial will give you all the tools you need for crisp, professional results fast. By the end of this video, you'll know the best ways to resize images without messing up their proportions and how to export them at exactly the size you need. So let's dive right in. First things first, launch Figma and make sure your project is open. If this is your first time using Figma, don't worry, everything I'm about to show you is beginner-friendly. Once you're in, you should see your workspace. I have a sample image ready to go, but you can use any image you like. Just drag it into your canvas or open up an existing file where you want to make changes. Getting comfortable with your workspace is key, so take a second to look around and set up. Now let's talk about resizing. This is probably the simplest way to change your image's size in Figma. Just click on the image so it's selected. You'll notice handles appear around the edges and corners, almost like little anchor points. All you need to do is click and drag these handles in or out. If you want to make the image bigger, drag outward. If you need it smaller, just drag inward. It's pretty intuitive, kind of like resizing an image in PowerPoint or Google Slides. You'll see the size update in real time, which is perfect for getting things just right. But what if you need your image to be a specific width or height? Maybe you're following strict guidelines for a project or working on a design system. No problem, Figma's got you covered. With your image selected, look up at the right-hand panel and you'll see the width and height fields. You can click on those numbers and type in the exact dimensions you need. However, this next step is super important. Make sure the aspect ratio lock, the little chain icon next to the dimensions, is turned on. This makes sure that your image scales proportionally so it won't end up looking squished or stretched. I know it might seem like a tiny detail, but forgetting to lock the aspect ratio is one of the most common mistakes, especially when you're moving fast. So always double-check that chain icon before you change numbers. Alright, once your image looks perfect in your design, you might be ready to export it. Maybe you need it for a website, a presentation, or you want to send it to a client. Here's a pro tip. When you click Export in Figma, you'll notice an option to set a multiplier, things like 1x, 2x, or even 3x. This lets you export your image at larger sizes without losing clarity. For example, if you need a high-res version for Retina displays, you can just bump up the multiplier. It's a super easy way to get sharp, professional-looking images with zero fuss. And there you have it. Resizing images in Figma is refreshingly straightforward, as long as you keep an eye on your aspect ratio and make the most of the export options. Take your time, practice with a few samples, and you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another Figma trick you want to learn next. And of course, subscribe for more quick, clear tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.